Hi! In front of me is an Android 13, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Firstly, you need to install all of your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into settings right away. In settings, click on apps section, then scroll down just a bit and click on default apps. Finally, tap on one of those options. I want to change my browser, so I have to click on the browser app and click on my new downloaded one in order to apply it. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!